Hi, this is 𝗧𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗚 at 𝗧𝗲𝗃, turning tech talk into biz talk. We're live at InfoTech Live 2024. I'm joined by Brian, Senior Research Principal. Brian Jackson, tell us about InfoTech.
Yeah, InfoTech Research Group is the world's fastest growing research company. We're based in Toronto, Ontario. Operations all over the world, right through the US. We have offices in Europe, big presence in Australia too, and we're here in Las Vegas to put on the biggest conference we've ever had.
Not just Vegas, they're at the 𝗧𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗚. And I got to tell you, I heard that the first show just a few years ago, they had about 90 people. Thousands plus here today. It's really exciting. Now, your role, you deal with tech trends. Can you tell us about tech trends?
Yeah, we've developed our tech trends research over the last 5 years at InfoTech. We're always keeping our fingers on the pulse of the industry, looking at what are the emerging technologies that are going to transform the way IT does its business. What are the opportunities that these technologies create? What are they good for? What capabilities do they deliver? But also, what risks are they creating that IT has to mitigate? Because we know that it's going to be IT's job to impose the controls that keeps the organization safe.
Excellent, good stuff. We heard the keynotes this morning, AI, quantum computing, big topics, a lot of noise in the markets play. From an AI perspective, what should business users, what can you tell us about the current state of AI, and from your perspective, what's valuable to know today?
Absolutely. What we're seeing in the Tech Trends report is that AI has to move past the foundational, I'm going to use ChatGPT, I'm going to adopt Copilot. That's good, do that, but then do more. Go into an expert model, train your models to be purpose-built, or at least get an industry-oriented solution so that it can help your organization extract the value that it really needs to compete. And then we see digital humans becoming more popular. Yes, we have chatbots today, everybody's using those. You know what's next? Voice clones of synthetic voices, visual avatars greeting us in customer service scenarios, appearing in commercials and on social media. So it's a fascinating space to be in right now, and all the applications that are showing exponential value, it's really exciting.
It is exciting, and it's kind of challenging and a bit numbing too. I mean, from a business leader standpoint, it's harder than ever to keep up, but shows like this really bring value to help you understand from a research perspective what's really going on in the market and what's the opportunity. Now let's get more bleeding edge, if you will, in my mind anyway, in quantum computing. I hear that this morning. Can you give us just a bite on quantum computing?
Yeah, we have quantum computing in the report too, because it's critical to migrate your encryption standards. Look, all the encryption that we use today is going to become obsolete when quantum computing reaches a certain point and is able to crack the encryption codes that keep all of the data safe, that keep our transactions safe. So it's a mandate from the US government, by the way, that all federal agencies have to have a plan in place to migrate their encryption within 1 year from now. So the message is out there, get working on this.
Interesting stuff, cutting edge stuff. Tell us what you do for fun. We want to hear about you personally.
Yeah, well, here at Las Vegas, I stay away from the gambling tables. I play too much blackjack. I've learned my lesson by now. So I'll just attend the reception. I hear they have a bar there, so I'll look for that.
Good stuff. Well, I heard the Steelers are going to win the Super Bowl this year, so you might want to bet there. But Brian, thanks so much for taking the time.
Thanks.
We appreciate
Really
this.
Appreciate it.
This is 𝗧𝗲𝗰𝗚 at 𝗧𝗲𝗃, turning tech talk into biz talk.
𝗧𝗲𝗃. It's Irish for business.
𝗧𝗃𝗃, turning tech talk into biz talk.